Hi, my name's Zach. If you're interested this Christmas season in exterior illumination, please reach out to me. If not, you may end up like this guy.
What's going on here?
To avoid this situation, please reach out to me today. You can call, email, or message me on Facebook. In doing so, you will ensure that you end up like this guy. A word of warning, should you choose not to use my services this Christmas season, you might end up spending your Christmas with this guy.
Shitter was full!
Hi, my name is Zach Norris with Curbman Home Services. If you are interested at all this Christmas season in having your house adorned with Christmas lights, please reach out to me today. You can call, you can email, or you can message me on Facebook. My service price is $350 to both put the lights up and take them down. That's one price for two services. $350 to put the lights up and take them down when the season is over. You do have to provide the Christmas lights. Please reach out today. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.